Unlock your smartwatch and navigate to the settings. We're setting the stage for a seamless connection. In Settings, find Connected Apps and tap to open. This is where the magic happens. Now, select Google Fit from the list. You're one step closer to tracking your health. Grant the necessary permissions for Google Fit to access your activity data. Trust is key. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message. Your smartwatch is now ready to sync. Finally, open the Google Fit app on your phone. It's time to start tracking. Explore the dashboard to monitor your daily activity, steps, and heart rate. Set personalized fitness goals and challenge yourself to stay active each day. Receive reminders and notifications to help keep you on track and motivated. Sync your watch daily to ensure all data is up to date. Consistency is key. Stay engaged with the community. Sharing progress can motivate your fitness journey. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Every step counts.